Alright, so I know I'm not there today, but we're gonna go ahead and move on to this next section. 7.3, parallel lines and triangle angle sums. Please just write the EQ. Do not write this part down. This is just me proving to you why a triangle equals 180 using parallel lines. Okay, now that you guys know your angle relationships, I'll show you why this angle, and this angle all equal add up to 180. So again, you do not write this part down. It's just me explaining to you. So the reason why a triangle equals 180 is because if I have two parallel lines, this angle and I know this angle will be the same by corresponding angles. So 61 degrees and 86 is vertical. They make a bow tie, right? Bow tie. So this is going to be 86 degrees. This is 33, and they are corresponding angles to here. So if I know a straight line equals 180, then based on parallel line rules, angle relationships, the angles inside a triangle is also 180. You can also see this if you guys have time at home, or if you guys have an extra piece of paper. Make a triangle, and if you have that triangle, let's see, again, this is just me explaining. If you have a triangle, right, doesn't matter what shape it is, you can cut them into pieces. Let me see, there you go. I have 3 pieces. I'm going to take this right here, and then I'm going to form a line with them here. And then let me see here. Yeah, this is like a puzzle in itself. There we go. They will form a line. So if you have a triangle, they will end up forming a line. Again, you could probably skip this through, but they form a line. So that's why whenever you have a triangle, they will always add up to 180, because of parallel lines and angle relationships. Anyways, you guys should have this paper right here. Make sure you guys have written your EQ while you're doing that. Alright, so today we're just going to do the left side. Okay, don't worry about the right side for now. Make sure you have this. If you're not taking notes, you're responsible to take notes at home and be prepared Tuesday morning. I will not be going over this. You guys should already have it in your notes. You will not have time in class to do it. We will continue to exterior angle on Tuesday. Alright, so triangle angle sum theorem. Again, I just proved to you why they add up to 180. So for this one, it would be the sum of, so remember, sum means adding. The sum of the 3 interior, we should all know what interior means by now, inside, interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So it's the sum of the 3 add up to 180. So if angle A, angle B, and angle C are the 3 angles of triangle ABC, then That means measure of angle A plus measure of angle B, measure of angle C is equal to 180. Okay, so if an angle is missing, you would just add the other two and subtract it from 180. So let's practice with this example here. Pause if you guys need to. Example 1, find the measure of the missing angle. So here we would do 80 plus 35 plus question mark equals 180. You would add like terms, combine like terms. This is 115. You guys are not allowed to use calculators. I want you guys to try this without calculators. Plus question mark equals 180. You do inverse operations. Minus 115. Whatever you do on one side, you must do to the other side. So that means the question mark equals, you carry the 1, or you borrow from the 8, it becomes a 7. 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 1 is 6, 1 minus 1 is 0. So the question mark is 65. Don't forget the degree symbol, otherwise it's wrong. Okay, so we're bringing back semester 1 with solving equations. Example 2, so most of the problems will be just like this, example 1. But I want to challenge you guys with example 2 here. Solve for x, then find the measure of angle A. So for this one, again, you guys are just solving for x. So how do we do that? We just add all these up since they're all interior angles. So that's x plus 70 plus 41 plus 76 equals 180. If you don't know how to add all three of these numbers, again, it's combining like terms. So all these three numbers will add up to, we can put it to the side, 70 plus 41 plus 76. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 4 is 18. So this is x plus 187 equals 180. Inverse operation, minus 187 minus 187. We get x equals negative 7. Okay, but now it's asking find the measure of angle A. So measure of angle A, is x plus 70. And if you plug in negative 7 for x plus 70, we will get 63 degrees. Okay, notice how this does not have an angle measure because it's describing the angle measure. Alright, so it's just solving equations. We'll see 1 or 2 step equations. Okay, so please try your best on the worksheet. I'll go ahead and go ahead and pause here. And the sub should be passing out the worksheet. Yeah, I think you guys will only do numbers 1 through 8 for today. Only do 1 through 8. So it says show your work and box your answers for full credit. Okay, I just want you guys to do 1 through 8. If you have any questions, Google. You guys have Google. Don't worry about the right side until Tuesday.